Hey guys, Theo here, and welcome to the Caffeine Zone, where we discuss everything coffee. And at last today, we are actually discussing coffee. We finished with all of the teas. Today we are tasting Nescafe Gold Alta Rica. Now, the thing I love about this specific one is the fact that it actually states that it is selected 100% Arabica coffee. So now we're talking about flavor. I love flavor. Now, intensity-wise, this one is an 8 out of 10 intensity. So it's about a medium to medium dark roast. But we'll taste it and then decide. Interesting. Yeah. Wow, gee. Ooh, that smells interesting. Nice. Now, important about Nescafe, the Gold series, always your recipe. This is the one with probably the least amount of coffee you use out of all the coffees out there. I know that there's a few that is less than this, but this is definitely in the top least. This one says 1.8 grams of coffee with 80 degrees Celsius water. As I always state, never use boiling water, equals to a cup. Now, for us, a cup is this. For the guys that created this coffee in Europe, a cup is 100 mils. So it's 1.8 grams of coffee per 100 milliliters of water. Now we'll be using a 200 ml cup, which means we're going to go 3.6 grams? Yeah, 3.6 grams of coffee. Excellent. So let's get that in there because we want to start tasting this. It's got a very interesting aroma to it. So we want 3.6. And there we go. You would notice that almost nothing left this canister, which means it should last very long. If you put more than that, just buy decent coffee, because then this stuff is too weak for you. Here we go. Water is at 81 degrees Celsius. I'm 1 degree off. I'm sure that should be all right. Start the timer. Now I'm expecting a really beautiful crema from this one. Oh yeah. Nice dark brown crema, beautiful. And we go to 200.5. I'm out by 0.5. Nice. Not the crema that I really expected. Slightly less. As I was pouring it, the crema was beautiful. But the longer I let it stand, the weaker it becomes crema-wise. It's not too shabby. Let's fast forward to 2 minutes so we can start tasting. Okay, so we're at 2 minutes. Now, give it a good stir. Make sure that all the coffee has dissolved, especially on the freeze-dried coffees. The freeze-dried coffees have these big clogs, which means you need to give it some time to dissolve. Okay, so first sip, just take a little bite, roll it around in your mouth to make sure that you cover the whole tongue to make sure we're actually tasting the coffee. Okay, that's strange. Okay, but that was on the first sip. It's supposed to be. First slurp. Interesting. Very interesting. Third sip. Okay, sweetness, acidity, bitterness. Sweetness, about a 3 out of 10. Not very sweet, not what I expected. Creamy mouthfeel. It actually feels very buttery. Almost like that buttery texture in your mouth, which that's nice. I like the feeling of this coffee. Acidity, very high, about a 9 out of 10 acidity. It's actually very, very intense on the side of the tongue, which means a bit of milk probably needs to go in there just to kind of balance that, high spunky acidity, but following with that bitterness. Bitterness is probably about a 6 out of 10. So it's this very high spunky acidity with this bit of too much heaviness back in the throat. So you can add some milk. I would still take this with no sugar. It's actually not bad without sugar. Maybe if the intensity was slightly lower, like a 5 or a 6 out of 10, I think that could have a lot better elements to it. But it's Alta Rica, 8 out of 10 intensity. I'm not going to change it. I'm just going to tell you what it's like. So if that sounds like a coffee that you would enjoy, then go right ahead and enjoy it. Who am I to tell you what your mouth should like or dislike? Hope you guys enjoyed this. and I'll see you on the next video. May you find your happy place in every single cup.